Hi guys, if you receive this message on your Instagram account, it says try again later, we restrict certain activity to protect our community. If you want to solve this problem like permanently, you will never get this message anymore. All you have to do guys is follow the steps in this video and make sure you watch this video till the end so that you can learn exactly how you can stop this message from your Instagram. You will never receive it again. Okay, so what you want to do guys, you want to take screenshot of this message. Okay, you want to just take screenshot. All right, now I took a screenshot of this message. Now what you want to do guys, you want to click OK on that message, and after that, by the way guys, I'm gonna be showing you two methods on how you can fix this. Now the first method guys, like I said, which works this is the best method. All you have to do guys, you want to click profile picture at the very bottom right, click it. After that guys, you want to click three little lines in the top right. After that guys, you want to click on settings in the top. Now you want to click guys on help. After you click on help, you want to click on report a problem in the top. After that, you want to click on report a problem without shaking, as you can see, without shaking. All right, now you want to click on don't include and continue. Now what you want to type here guys, before you type anything, click on upload here and upload that screenshot first. Now we have uploaded the screenshot, as you can see here. Now what you want to do guys, you want to say to Instagram, I get the try again later message. We restrict certain activity. Just type here what message you receive. Okay, this is not complicated thing to do. Just tell them that what message you receive on your Instagram. All you have to do guys is send them this message and then click please fix this. So if someone of you guys has some time, like if you have time, just type this and leave it in the comments so that other people will just copy it. So guys, all you have to do guys is you want to just type here, I get the try again later message, we restrict certain activity to protect our community, and then click send in the top right. And then they will get back to you within 24 hours and less than 24 hours, like sometimes less. It depends, and you will fix the problem. Now if you don't want to wait, here is the second method. If you are using Android or iPhone, you want to go to general and then you want to go to iPhone storage. If you are using iPhone, you want to just click clear cache. Now if you are using iPhone, click on Instagram and then click upload app and wait a few seconds and click on reinstall app and see if it works. If it doesn't work, you will have to wait 24 hours. You will fix this problem permanently from your account. Hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. I reply to every single comment. Let me know what phone you have. I reply